Purity is unfoldment of infinite which is there within you. You don't have to look anything outside. The God is there. The purity is there. The Guru is there within you. Infinite is there within you. The whole universe is there within you. When I used to tell that we are in the universe, we are living in the universe, and I have to learn the whole secret of the universe, my Guru used to say, no, you are not in the universe, but universe is within you. And that is how, by doing the Shiva Yoga sadhana, I could understand and experience the correlation between the macro universe and the micro universe. And the micro universe which is there within me gives birth to the macro universe which is there outside. And what is there outside, the macro universe, has given birth to the micro universe which is there within me. And what is the micro universe which is there within me gives birth to the macro universe. So it is a continuous phenomena. It's a stage comes when there is a state of non-duality. Then I do not exist. And when I do not exist, the consciousness of I does not remain. Then what is there, micro which I feel, becomes the macro, and macro becomes the micro, becomes one. And then I find there is no difference between this and the outside world. That is how the Shiva yogis, when they stand in front of a tree and they say, it is me. When they stand in front of the mountain, they say, it is me. When they see the other people around, they say, it is me only. That is a later on. I don't want to confuse you, because I had a very precious Shivlinga and a great yogi who took that Shivlinga and threw it in the Ganges. He said, oh, it's very nice, show me, and threw it. I said, my God, what have you done? It's very precious. It is. Why you have thrown? Well, what you have got? And what is it you want to teach me? He smiled and he said, okay, take it. In front of me, he had thrown it in the Ganges, and then he said, take it. It was there in his hand. I said, what is this magic? He said, there is no magic. He said, how come? You threw it, and I saw you threw it and your hand was empty. And then how it came in your hand? He said, the problem with you is that you find the river Ganges is separate and you are separate. So when you throw something in separate, how can you take it back? And with me, I feel that I am the Ganges. And when I am the Ganges, I can produce what is I have thrown in it. I can produce anything which is there within me. That made a lot of sense to me. And that is how I started the unification meditation. I started the Shambhavi which was given to me. I started merging with the universe. This is what I am going to teach you today. That is, all the Shiva Yoga sadhaks, they can tap any Shakti of the nature of the universe, and you can enhance your powers.